I've got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer and then let's enter the first code, which will show us the phone information. So it's asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. And at first we can check the phone information here. So you've got IMEI info, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service. You can also run a ping test here. Simply click, and here is the solution. And also you can check the mobile radio power and all the other. You can refresh it. And here, as you can see, it has been errored. Then you can check the usage statistics. So you have all detailed information about all the applications that you are using. And then let's go to Wi-Fi info. So you can check Wi-Fi APA, and here you can take a look at disabled network, disconnected, enabled network, configured networks, and also you can check the connection info over here. Let's go back, and then there is a Wi-Fi configuration, so you can check all the configured network here, and also Wi-Fi status, so refresh it to check all the info. So you've got the Wi-Fi state, network state, and all the others. You can run a ping test here as well. As you can see, it passed. Let's go back, and this is actually what you can do in this testing mode. Now we will go to the second code. This is the shortest one, but very important. It's asterisk pound 06 pound, and here you've got the serial number for your device. So this is the one. You can quickly check out what your serial number is. Then let's open all the calendars that are included in your Nokia 8.1. So if you have Google Calendar or some other calendar connected with your device, all the info will be included in one place. And the code for it is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And here you've got all the details. So let's go back. And finally, the last but not least code is asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk, and we will debug into Google services. Oh, I missed 2 digits, so it's asterisk pound. And now you can check events and status. If you will tap over here, you can allow advanced view, so you have more info, very advanced one over here. So this is how you can use the codes for Nokia 8.1. You can check some advanced info regarding your device, enjoy it, and enable them whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.